Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In the last video, I have discussed what is a data science. What is a data science? Data science is a science of collecting, storing, processing, describing and modeling of the data. In this video, I want to discuss in detail about collecting of the data. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. In the collecting of the data, as a data scientist, you need to look at the two things. What kind of data you want to collect? It depends on what task you want to perform on the data. Suppose let's take that you want to perform the data analytics on a cricketer. Then you need to collect the data related to the cricketer. Or suppose let's take that you want to analytic the data related to the political party. Then you need to collect the data related to the political party. And then coming to the another factor, whether you are working in a data rich organization or whatever the data you want to analytics, whether such data is available or not. If it is a data rich organization, then your task is very simple. If it is data is not available, you need to collect those data. So let me discuss that one. Suppose first let's take that if data is available. Data is available and you are working in a data rich organization, so data is available. As a data scientist, you should know how to perform the SQL operations on that. Suppose if it is a structured data, you need to know about the programming concepts such as Python, Java and also the SQL to look at those data or retrieve the data. Am I right? Because you can retrieve the information from the database using the SQL commands. Okay, so you should know those programming skills, Python, Java and SQL. And similarly, if data is available in some other platforms, let me give an example for it. Now let's take that recently ICC has decided that they will bid for the 2028 Olympics for the cricket game. Now they want to look at whether this decision is good or bad. Means are the people or the cricket lovers are very happy or not. Then what the cricket lovers will do, they will give their opinion or they will discuss or they will conduct the polls in various social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all these places. So now if a data scientist who is working for the ICC, he has the data. He want to check whether the people or the cricket lovers are happy or not. Now he does not have the data with his organization. With the ICC, the data is not available. The data is available in various social media platforms. If those data is available in those platforms, he need to query the data. Means he need to use the APIs and he need to use the hacking skills if it is required, and then he has to collect the data and then he can perform the data analytics on the data. Is it clear? So if the data is available in the organization, then the task is very simple. If the data is not available in some other platform, it is not there in your own organization, then you need to get the data. Now let me take another example, okay, where the data is not at all available. Okay, suppose let's take that India is playing the test match with the England. Currently it is the test series is going on. Let's take that England has taken one bowler, okay, who never played in any international match and he came into the squad. Okay, then what the data analytic team of the Indian team, what they will do, they will look at their videos of that bowler. If the videos are not available, because how he will bowl, if he is a fast bowler, whether he is very good at in swinging, whether he is very good at out swinging, whether he is very good at yorkers, bouncers, all these things, the data analytics has to tell to the coach of the Indian team, and the coach will inform the same to the Indian batsman, because whenever the bowler is coming, the batsman should know about his strengths and weakness so that they can target that bowler. Suppose if the data is not available, his videos are not available anywhere, then what they have to do is that they have to collect the data. Now, how they will collect the data? Whenever he is practicing with the England, they will take the videos or they will look at it and then they will collect the data. Now, here, whenever you are collecting the data, it should not be a biased data collection. What is the meaning is that if suppose let's take that he is bowling with a means he is bowling with a ball which is suppose let's take that 50 overs old ball, then a bowler will bowl in a different style, means he will not try to swing the ball, he will try to what you call apply the bouncers or yorkers. So if the data analytics person, when he is collecting the data, he should not collect the information when the bowler is bowling with a ball which is 50 overs old, not 50 years old. Okay, suppose similarly you should not only collect the information when he is bowling with the new ball. Similarly, when the ball is wet, how he is bowling. Okay, all this information, the data analytics person has to collect it. So it should not be a biased. Okay, that information once he collect it, he will analyze the data and will find the proper insights from the data. So whenever you don't have the data, you need to conduct the experiments, and then those experiments should not be biased. Okay, similarly, let me give one more example for you. Let's take that you want to go for farming and you want to find in this location what kind of crop is very good. Now you don't have the data, then what you will do, you will conduct an experiment. Okay, whenever you are conducting the experiment, you need to look at the type of the seed, how much water should be provided, and what kind of pesticides you have to provide. All these things you need to look at it. Am I right or wrong? So the data, whenever you does not have the data, whenever you want to conduct any experiment, those experiments should not be a biased. Okay, so whenever the data is available, the data scientist should know those programming skills to find the proper insights from the data. Whenever there is no data is not available, okay, then statistics will come into the picture. Means you need to conduct the unbiased experiments. So I hope you have understood what are the tasks involved in collecting the data. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. In the next video, I will discuss in detail about the storing of data. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.